recline, I listen to rhymes and beats in the waves of the spines of the brain, relieving pain and anguish. The strangest arrays make me sway and make my days brighter. The hip-hop inviter, might arrive a little sooner. Check the souls on my boomers. My attitude is miserable, cause in my mind I'm saying here's a fool I don't like. I won't strike his ass in the face. I'm blasting the bass in my headphones. A fool don't have to get his head blown. Why waste time with rhymes? I get straight to the point, like I hate when funk's in the joint. When hip-hop is playing, threatening to spray men. Don't threaten me, or you won't be able to see when I gouge your eyes out. I despise doubts on your part, like I won't stab you in your heart. My flow is drastic, serious, sarcastic. My motto is fuck with me and get your ass kicked. And that's the key to understanding me. And if you're cool, then the finish what you'll be branding me. Yeah. Check it out. Y'all peep this shit. Yo, the homies. This is little shit. Little shit so you can peep how niggas be peeping raps. Oh, you'll be. Yeah, I love the people rhyme. First of all, I'm seeing if my man can keep the time. If he go off beat and it's on purpose, he gotta come back on beat or the effort is worthless. I like to hear a cool flow, but if it's identical to another, he a fool for it. You gotta build upon skills, and all that copy that most popular rapper shit can get killed. I like a nigga who is quick with it, cause it make me feel like I do when I come from where my dick split it. And I admit it, it's a joy when I hear a nigga avoid the whack and make a paranoid. I love niggas who talk shit, cause that's my department. I got something for anyone who starts shit, cause I'm relentless with a sentence, a jail sentence after I beat you senseless. I like niggas when they add rhymes. Then I laugh at niggas who fell off but had rhymes. Just some descriptions of what I like to listen to with my Bruce Banner scanner point of view. Big, yo, beat that shit, the niggas all about Bruce Banner. Fucking